What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I will be showing you how to view your privated videos on TikTok. Now if you aren't familiar with this feature, basically TikTok has two separate functions, the public feed and the private feed. You could easily just upload any TikToks that you want and videos to your public feed, and anybody that clicks on your profile or they could search for it will be able to see anything that you upload there. However, you could also make TikToks private, where you could only see and allow who you want to view them. So you could just create a short list of friends if you only want it to be shared between them and just sent between them. It's kind of a useful feature, but it's also kind of tucked away where it's kind of hard to see how you could see all of your private videos in full, because generally speaking, when you click on your profile, it just shows you your
tutorial for your goof eyes.
So launching on TikTok here, I'm just going to head over to my profile, clicking the icon in the bottom right-hand corner there.
Just in case you got to get out. You can get out that.
And as expected, when jumping to my profile, it just shows a list of all of my public TikToks, as well as a separate category with my drafts there. But what you're looking for is the little toolbar. It's right below the bio and below my supporting American Cancer Society text there. There's a couple different options. The first is the grid one, which is selected on right now, but directly to the right of that is a lock icon, and clicking on that is going to bring up this screen where it has all my private videos, which are none. But as you can see there, it does say your private videos. So if you did create any of those, you will be able to see them directly through this screen. Like I said, it's a great way to just share videos in between friends, especially if you're not really worried about growing. You just want to create some funny content to share between your friends. I get it, there's plenty of people out there, and this function makes it super easy to do so. If you did have any questions though, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.